The time has come. It is time to round up the makeup empties of 2024. Hey, I'm Sharon. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you subscribe if you like more videos like this. I have been working my tushy off all of 2024 to use up makeup and beauty products. I have a whole playlist of empties. If you haven't seen my recents from 2024, definitely check that out. I'll have it linked in the cards and down below, so check that out. I also just finished up my last few months of the year total empties, so check that out. But in this video, we are simply going through the makeup products that I used up the entire year. I saved them all. I threw away all like the beauty products like shampoo bottles, things like that, but I saved all of the makeup so we could take a look at that in a year-end roundup. I thought that would be really fun. And then at the end, I'm going to give you the final totals of all the products and makeup that I've used up in 2024. It will shock you. Leave your guesses down below, what you think that grand total might be if you've been watching my videos. And without further ado, let's just jump on into this bucket. We've got a lot here, so I'm gonna try to kind of go speed review style. If I don't have like amazing comments on a product, we're just gonna move right past it. So let's go. Right out the gate, the Tarte, the liquid silk canvas. This is pricey. Now that I've used it up, I was actually just thinking about it and I might consider getting this again. It was pretty nice, so I liked this one. The Milani No Pore Zone. This is a pretty decent pore filling primer at the drugstore. I'd consider getting that again. The Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. This is a nice concealer. It's fairly light, hydrating. It's a good one. This one I was so proud of using. It's broken even. It's been broken for the longest time, but I used up my butter bronzer completely. I was so proud of that. I'm just tired of it. It took me forever to use it, so I'm not gonna buy it for a while, but it is a very nice one. I had mine in light and it worked great for me. This is the One Size setting spray. This is very expensive. The aerosol kind of freaks me out a little bit. I wouldn't get it again simply for that, but it was a decent setting spray that really does make your makeup last. So if that doesn't bother you, it's a good one. We got tons of mascaras. That's definitely what I use the most of, obviously, as the year went on because they dry up and go bad. The first is the Essence Lashes of the Day. They don't make this one anymore, but it's one that I do like. This is the Too Faced Pomade in a Pencil. This has been one of my standout products of 2024. Love it. I've gone through I think 2 in here, if not 3, and I'm working on another one right now. I also believe they've discontinued this, so if you can get your hands on it, do it now because it's really good. This is a Bite Beauty mascara. They've discontinued this, also not my favorite mascara. Il Makiage mascara. This was fine, but it did smudge under my eyes, so I wouldn't get that. Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is a great one if you want to spend big bucks on an eyeshadow primer. It's really good. Used up the Urban Decay All Nighter. It's just the all-nighter longwear foundation grip. I did like this one. It smooths, it helps grip. This was a nice one. If it was on sale again, I'd consider getting it. Used up an Estee Lauder Double Wear. This has been another standout product for me through 2023 and 2024. Really, really great foundation. I have another one that I'm working through now and I absolutely love it. It's been a go-to. A CoverGirl Lash Blast Primer. This is my favorite drugstore lash primer. It's so good and very affordable and really works with a lot of different kinds of mascara. Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I love the applicator on this mascara, but it is one that smudges on me, so that's a bummer. Essence Lash Princess, and a fantastic price point at the drugstore. It's like $4. You can't go wrong. It does smudge on me just a little bit, but for $4, I'm willing to wipe away some smudging. Used up the NARS the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. I wouldn't get this again. It's so pricey. I bought it because it was something I lusted after for years and years and years from my original YouTube days when I first got into it. I wouldn't get it again, not worth it. MAC Giga Black Lash. I use this on my lower lash line. It is fantastic. It doesn't smudge. And I have another one I'm working through. Rimmel Stay Matte. I also have another one of these that I'm working through. This is like one of the best primers at the drugstore. Don't let the matte name fool you. It does mattify just a little bit, but not a lot that's gonna dry out your skin. It just smooths everything. It helps grip your foundation. It is fantastic and like $6. This is the Call Me Queen Essence Mascara. Love the packaging of this. I'd consider getting it again. Another great affordable mascara. This is the Maybelline Full and Soft Mascara. It's a decent mascara at the drugstore. Probably wouldn't get it again, but I got it for nostalgia's sake. I used to use it back in high school. It's a very good, like, natural lash looking mascara, but I'm just looking for my mascara to look a little more va-va-voom than this. This is the Jane Iredale Smooth Affair Brightening Primer. I didn't think it did a whole lot. Wouldn't get it again, and it's expensive. Kiss Lash Liner Glue. This is amazing. It's a black liquid liner that is a glue. So if you are going to use false lashes and you like a good liquid liner, this is so good. They also make a clear one as well. Too Faced Brow Wig. Would not get again. You can get other fiber mascaras at, like, brow mascaras at the drugstore. Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Glow. Didn't like this one. The what's the other one I talked about? It's better. This one I didn't like. I didn't like the feeling of it. It was like a gel primer. I don't like gel primers. I used up a lip product. Are you proud of me? This is the Tarte, I think it's like Tarte of the Sea in Nude. I mean, I used it up. Used up a KVD tattoo liner in brown. I have since discovered a new favorite from Too Faced, so I won't get this again, but it is a good liner if it's on sale. Used up a Kosas Revealer foundation. It's very nice. I have it in another shade. Oh, Fran! She's getting into her barking. Keep going. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For primer. I'm very sad they don't make this anymore. It was one of my favorite primers, but you can't get it. More mascaras. Tarte Big Ego smudges on me. Otherwise, it's amazing. If you don't have an issue with smudging, it's because my eye waters, if I didn't say that before. My left eye tends to water a lot, and so it's my left eye that will smudge and not my right. So that's how I know that it's a me problem and not really the mascara problem. But if you don't have any issues with watery eyes or mascara smudging, this is so, so good, and I love the packaging. It's one of my favorites, except that it smudges. This one does not smudge from Maybelline. It's the Falsies Surreal. This one's in waterproof. I like the regular version as well. It is an excellent volumizing Va-Va-Voom mascara. Used up this lip duo from Flower. This is an old product that they do make still, but it's kind of hard to get. But I found it on Walmart's website. So if you're interested in a lipstick gloss duo, these are awesome. Too Faced Shadow Insurance, wouldn't pay the price tag, but if it was on super sale, I'd consider getting it again. Here's another one of the Too Faced Pomaded Pencils, love that. This is the Item Brow Pencil Brow Chow. I wouldn't get this again, it wasn't something I liked. L'Oreal Panorama Mascara, this is new this year. I really like it, I would get it again. Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt is a great drugstore, like brow fluff mascara. Bite Beauty Mascara, they don't make it anymore. You already saw another one of those. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Brown Liner. Didn't love this one, it's a felt tip and I prefer a brush tip. CoverGirl Clean Fresh Brow Pencil. This is their skinny brow pencil. Don't love that because it's skinny, but if you like a skinny brow pencil, it was good. Urban Decay Naked 2 lip pencil. Mine got dried up and old and I almost used it up completely. I like Urban Decay lip pencils. An ABH mini brow gel. I love the ABH brow gel, it's so good. This is a mini size of the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. Not my favorite mascara, but I'm glad I tried it. A lip balm. How proud are you of me? This blows my mind that I used a lip balm. It's the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. It's a very nice lip balm. I really liked it. I used it at night. I have one perfume empty of the year. It is the Amber Fragrance Oil. I get this at Ulta and it smells so good. It's a rollerball oil. If you like amber fragrance, oh, this is so good. It's so good in like the fall and winter when you want like a warm, cozy, musky scent. Love it so much. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This shade was a little bit too light for me and it got old. So it's almost used up completely and I love that. I love that concealer. Obviously I have it in many, many shades. All right, the regular version of the Maybelline Falsies Surreal. Again, one of my favorites of the year. Estila Huge, another great high-end mascara similar to the Tarte Big Ego. Both of those tend to go on sale during like Sephora and Ulta, like 21 Days of Beauty, or you know, when they do the beauty steals. Both really good hourglass type wands that I really, really love, but this is another one that will smudge under my left eye. This is the Hard Candy Mascara. This is the Lengthening Ultimate Lash Enhancing, or Ultimate Lash Lengthening Mascara in Jet Black. I love this mascara. It's so good, doesn't smudge. Really great underrated mascara from the drugstore. Used up my NYX Peekaboo Neutral. I mean, there's a little bit left, but it's so old and dry. and it's pulled away. When I try to sharpen it, you know, it's pulled away and it like wants to slide out. So we're calling it quits. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex in Chocolate. Would not get this again. I'm breaking up with those mascaras. I keep trying them and time again, they fail me. The wand is really big, so it gets messy all over my lid. It transfers under my eye, so I just have to stop with that mascara. It does not work for me. L'Oreal Voluminous, a classic from the drugstore. Love this mascara. Very good mascara. Another of the Tarte Surfer Curl, because it is again one of my favorites. Another of the e.l.f. brow pencils. A Ulta brand New Heights lifting mascara. This one's really interesting. I like to show it because I don't have any other wand like this. It's really little and it kind of fans out on the end to help give you like a good like butterfly lash effect. So it's really interesting to get a really good detailed, like if you want to be really precise with your mascara, this is pretty nice. And then I have a Bad Girl Bang in Waterproof. It was a fine mascara, not a favorite, but it was good. A KVD Tattoo Liner in Black. Again, I won't get this again just because I found that I like the Too Faced ones better, but this is still good. And then the Wonder, I'm so sorry about Fran. I'm sure you can hear her barking and there's nothing I can do about it. Mile High Club by Wonder Beauty. It's mascara. It was not one of my favorites. It's got a really nice wand though. I think it'd probably be a good one for under your lash line, your lower lashes, but it wasn't a favorite for me and it's got a pretty high price tag. All right, so any guesses down below on what that makeup total was? I hope you enjoyed. Again, I tried to fly through that with some speedy reviews. I hope they were helpful enough. If you'd like more detailed reviews, just leave a comment down below. I'm happy to give you my thoughts, or go back and watch other of my empties videos. I might have gone into more detail on those. But give me your guess down below for how many products I used and what you think that total was. Take a second, give me your guess down below. All right, drum roll please. For makeup products alone, 78 products used for a total of $1,305.36. Wow, that is incredible to me. All right, let me give you the totals for the other two categories that I didn't show in this video, but wanted to give you the totals of. The next largest category was skin and body care products. I used 40 skincare products through the year of 2024, totaling $1,011.33. And coming in third is hair care. I used 33 products in 2024 for a total of $621.26. So grand totals, drum roll please. I used 149 products in 2024, totaling $2,937.95. That blows my mind. Wow. I'm so proud of myself for focusing on using things up this year, trying to consume less, use what I have. I feel like I've done a really great job. I'm going to continue to do this into 2025, so I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. We're gonna keep on going, using things up and totaling what we've got. So I hope you enjoyed this series. It was a year-long runner on my channel. I so appreciate everyone that has watched. Subscribe if you haven't and you made it this far and you wanna see more from me. And don't forget, everything is linked down below if you want links to anything, so check that out, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.